Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to instantly improve the sound of your stock amp sims. You've heard us talk about guitar IRs the last few videos, so today I want to show you a direct comparison between the stock IRs that come with your amp sim versus third-party IRs. Typically, whenever a big developer releases an amp sim, they have custom IRs made for that plugin, so it sounds good to most people right out of the box. The issue with that though is that you can be limited by sound options, especially if you want to create a unique sounding tone specific to your music. The easiest way to change this is through the usage of third-party IRs. Most modern amp sims have their own cab IR loader. So you scroll over to that, go ahead and drop down here, click load custom IR, and I will load in the declassified MMS pack. All right, now since we have that loaded up, we're gonna scroll through some different IR options, solo and in the mix, and find the one that serves the song the best. I really like the way that this sounds solo, so let's hear it in the mix on both sides before we make our decision. I really like this tone because it tightens up the low end and it also cleans up that cab resonance around 200 to 300 hertz that I'd usually cut out anyway. It's also super balanced. Now this is very subjective, so I just urge everyone to pull up your favorite IR pack and scroll through until you find one that serves your song the best. Now for simplicity's sake, we're not going to be talking about any post-processing such as EQ, which could take this a step further. Also, we could blend in multiple cab IRs to make this a massive wall of sound, which we've already done in this video if you guys want to go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer. Also, be sure to join our free Facebook group if you haven't already. We do monthly songwriting contests in there and there's tons of sick prizes that you guys can win. Thanks for watching and happy songwriting.